Hello, students. How are you? I think you all are good and doing well at your home. So, from today, we are going to start our class 5th new chapter, chapter number 3, the rats and the elephants. So, this is a story about some small rats and the elephants. There are so many difference between their size. So, before starting the chapter, there are some question. Let's read it. Are we all the same size? Do you think we all are the same size? No. We all are having different size. Can a smaller animal help a bigger animal? So what is your answer? Can a smaller animal help a bigger animal? Yes. In your lower classes, you also hear a story or learn a story, a lion and the rat, in which a small rat helped a lion. So, a smaller animal also can help a bigger animal. You are often asked to help your younger sisters and brothers. Do you help them? Now you are in 5th class, so if you have a younger brother or sister, they ask for help. Do you help them in their homework or in their household work, in their daily routine work? How do your younger brothers and sister help you? And there are so many types of work in which your brother and sister also help you. So, a smaller animal or a smaller one can also help a bigger one. There is no matter about the size. So, let's begin the chapter. Let's read. Long, long ago, a group of rats lived happily in a forest. One day, a herd of elephants passed through that area in search of water. There was a group of rats who lived in a forest, and one day, a herd of elephants means a group of elephants passed through that area in search of water. The elephants passed from that way in the search of water. Many homes of the rats were destroyed. Destroyed means finished, demolished. Many homes of the rats were destroyed under their big feet. Elephant is a big animal. So the houses, homes of the rats were destroyed in their feet. Some rats were also killed. The king of and in the same way the houses, homes are destroyed and the rats also killed. When the king of the rats saw this, he thought something and he planned something. The king of rats, Mushakraj. What is the name of the rats of the king? Mushakraj. Went to the king of elephants, Gajraj, and the name of the elephants king was Gajraj. The king of the rats went to the king of elephants and requested him to take his herd through another route to the pond. So what he requested him? He requested the Gajraj that please change your route, because when you go from this route, our houses, our homes get destroyed and our family members also get hurt. He accepted the request and told the elephants to take the other way without disturbing the rats. Elephant's king was a kind animal, and he accepted the Mushak Raj request and told the elephants to take the another way. Mushak Raj was very happy and pleased with Gajraj. Mushak Raj now very happy and pleased means also happy. He is very happy with the Gajraj because he accepted his request. He thanked him and promised that the rats would always be ready to help the elephants if needed. Mushak Raj promised to Gajraj, the king of elephants, that if you need our help someday, we will definitely help you. Hearing this, the elephants in the herd laughed, thinking how small rats could help big elephants. When the elephants heard this, they think how it's possible. We are very big in size. We are the bigger one. How these small rats can help us? And they laugh on his promise. After a few months, what happened after the few months? One fine day, when the rats were playing in their near their houses, in their ground, they heard loud shouts of elephants coming from the direction of the pond. Every day elephants were go through that way, another way, for in search of water to the pond. So one day the rats heard a loud shout of elephants from the direction of pond. Mushak Raj realized that the elephants were in some danger. When the Mushak Raj heard this sound, he realized that there are some problem with the elephants. They were in some danger. He asked some of the strong rats in his group to come along. So he realized that there is some problem. So he asked their group's strong rats who were strong that come with me. We are going to help the elephants, and went in the direction of the sound. And they are going in the direction of the sound which is coming from the pond side. So Mushak Raj went there with their strong rats for helping the elephants. Near the pond, they saw the elephants caught in the trap kept by some hunters. So what is they saw there? They saw that elephants caught in the trap. They are the bigger animal. They are the very big one, but they also caught in the trap. And they are helpless now. So they are not able to help himself, or they are not able to get free from the trap. The rats quickly started biting the ropes with their sharp teeth. As you know, the rats have sharp teeth, so they are starting biting the ropes of trap. Soon the elephants were set free. Now the elephants were free from the trap. They thanked the rats and also felt sorry for making fun of their small size. Now elephants have realized their mistake, that they are making fun. When the Mushak Raj says that I am promised you, I will help you if you need it, that time elephants are making fun, but now they all are feel very much sorry and thank them for helping the elephants. So what we learn about this story? Never underestimate anyone's power. Maybe it in smaller in size, but he or she, it can help us someday. So never laugh on someone because of his or her size. Don't underestimate anyone. Read the chapter and learn about this. Thank you. Have a nice day.